30-year-old Madina is among the thousands of victims of female genital mutilation, or FGM, in Russia's mainly Muslim-populated region of Dagestan. Asking that her identity be concealed, she remembered how her genitals were cut when she was just 7 years old.
Вы чтобы не ходили как неугомонные в плане интимного плана, чтобы утихомирить свою страсть. Нам вот так рассказали.
The practice was so ingrained in Madina's remote North Caucasus village that she never doubted it, and even sought to be circumcised without telling her parents.
Вы будете в шоке, но у меня это было дважды в жизни. Делала нам взрослая женщина, и все пошли к ней, а я даже не предупредил, свою маму пошла к ней.
Russia has not yet banned female genital mutilation, even though the UN has called for its eradication, saying it is a violation of human rights. A recent report by a Moscow human rights group found FGM in Dagestan is performed on girls as young as 3 years old, often in unsanitary conditions. A senior Muslim spiritual leader in Dagestan ignited a controversy with his reaction to the report. In a radio interview, Mufti Ismail Berdiev defended the practice, saying, "All women must be circumcised in order to prevent depravity on the earth and reduce sexuality." He later explained his comment was meant as a joke, but Russia's Grand Mufti, Talgat Tajuddin, failed to see the humor and said the practice had no place in Russia. Others said it contradicted the Quran.
Ислам не ставит целью, чтобы лишить женщину каких-то удовольствий, да, и будь то женщина или мужчина, и не делает различия в этом плане между мужчиной и женщиной.
The World Health Organization has warned FGM poses serious health risks. This gynecologist in Dagestan said that one of her patients who was cut as a girl was scarred both physically and emotionally.
Я его уважаю, боюсь там за него, там, чтобы он не заболел что-то. Но вот как женщина, я, говорит, никогда не была счастлива.
Russia's parliament is now considering legislation to criminalize female mutilation operations, punishable by up to 10 years in prison. But as Madina revealed, she does not plan to abandon the controversial tradition.
Я лично своей девочке буду делать, ей только 5, к 7 годам буду делать.
Russia may now be tackling the issue of female genital mutilation in Dagestan, but changing attitudes in some parts will be difficult.